Hey guys, so in this video we're gonna go over like the previous video we did the function for the send timing ourselves. Now we're gonna do another function for the send command. Okay, so we're gonna expect a prompt. And you know what? Let's do also create another file. Yes. Right, so here. Make it part2. Delete this and to clean the out the direct. So this is the read timeout. The way we're gonna do it here. Okay, so we're expecting a string, okay, and what we need to do is not allowed. Okay, then at the end return. By the way, this is not exactly the same as the function. Like you need to have a timeout, remove string, and all that stuff. Remove prompt and all that stuff in the other function. Like this will actually, there's no read timeout in it. So those are things that we don't have. We're not specifying. The whole purpose of this exercise is just to use the read channel and write channel. Okay. Here, what we need to do is this. Right, so send command, and here sending a new line, and then here let's do print directly read output. And expected string. Here, yeah, we need to add the expected string. Let's do, actually we need to do find prompt first, and the way we're gonna do here, so we're waiting for the find prompt. This is actually, it should return this. And here what we do is out equals and command and then print. And it seems I've done something wrong. Okay, what happened? What? Actually, we need to go into enable mode before we do that. Okay. Alright, let's execute. Hey, it worked. Okay, so it keep on reading till it got the prompt. And as I said, this one is like read timeout equals 0 in both of the function. Like there's no read timeout. It will keep on reading till the condition is met. Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching those two videos. Thanks for bearing with me, and please like and subscribe. And if you want to understand more NetMiko, you could go check the iOS upgrade script. We've done all of it, most of the first section, all of it is in NetMiko. Okay, the iOS copy, and we do it a little bit pretty advanced because we're actually connecting to the jump host, and from the jump host connecting to the devices, and then we introduced at the end multi-threading, and also we did exception handling too. So a pretty interesting video. I highly recommend that you guys watch it. I'm gonna add descriptions and information and links It's in the description under the video. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. See you. Bye.